Hello everybody, my name is Z Smasher and today we're gonna play I'm on Observation Duty 6. It's still brand new, like recent, right? September. So, I just saw a video of Markiplier doing it, so here I am to play it as well. Why not? So let's just get started with this train. How do we play this? Local have reported large quantities of anomalous events happening at the location. Center park locomotive at the center of the railway station. Body was found inside the train. We have not yet been able to identify the body due to extreme damage caused by what appears to have been a gigantic blunt instrument wielded with immense strength. Dang! How strong? Did the guy just disintegrate or something? Freaking hell. A big ass hole in his chest. How does that strange mumbling resembling okay. It's been heard up from the train. Numerous passengers have reported luggage disappearance and leaving the train with items they did not enter the train with. Okay. So report window, report, pause, switch cameras, alright. Let's see how this goes. I'm quite bad at this games. Alright, Coke, suitcase, fire extinguisher, door. What is this? Bottle? Looks like a weird looking bottle. Sandwich, fire extinguisher, magazine, trash can. Nothing else. That thing looks like something outside. Bear, blanket, pillow, blanket, toothbrush, paste, hangers, towels, two plugs. No. What is this? Something. Donuts, cups, something. Employees only. Images look great. Smile day. Alright. Hey. Okay. What is this? Damn. It's actually empty. What? It's always empty. Vest. Hey. What is this? Berber. Can't really read that. Ooh, it's alright. Wait, is that always there? I already messed up, man. Oh, let's report that. Can we? Can I just click on it to report it? Oh, sick. Let's go. Nice. Blanket, toothpaste. This place looks fine. Oh, this shouldn't be open. What? What? Are you sure this is not an anomaly? The hell? No. No, I'm screwed already. No! No, I'm screwed. I'm so boned. Is this always there? I'm so boned. I'm dead. Oh no. Good thing there's no cooldown like the previous games, because that was horrible. What is this? What can I actually no, nothing really can be reported like that. Is that always there? See, I'm so bad at this game though. Smile day. Okay. Door looks fine. What if something changes on the railway track? Oh man, that's so bad. I'm so bad at this game already. Luggage. That looks great. What? If it says too many anomalies have been spotted, oh, I'm so screwed. I'm so boned. This game is one of my worst. Oh my god, where's this? Nothing really changed here. The door looks exactly the same. Okay. Oh, what is that? Steam. Driver's cabin. Okay. Coke. Alright. Come on. Yes. Looks great. Were these arms always up? Ah, man, I'm dead. Okay, what is going on here? It it's so subtle. Sometimes you don't even realize it changed. It's so freaking annoying. Um, Burr. These look exactly the same. I don't know. I feel like the suitcase moved, but let's see that. Probably nothing. Yeah, nothing. I knew it. Freaking out. Emergency exit. Okay. Nothing changed there. Oh, glass is gone. Glass is gone, guys. Huh? What? No freaking way. You're telling me that's not an anomaly? The glass is gone. Oh wait, this is that's the anomaly, not that. This is the anomaly here. Okay now. No? Okay. I thought it was not, bro. I was about to flip out, bro. What is that? You tell me that's not an anomaly? That's a lie. Okay, Smile Day on Saturday, October 2nd. Okay. Oh, this song's supposed to be here. What are you doing here? Get out of here. Okay. Thank God. Okay, where's this? It's so subtle. It's so subtle sometimes. Like, what if it's like a single crease on a freaking blanket that changed, and boom, it just never gets spotted, and then I die. What? The way this game works is crazy though. Honestly, I'll say this one is better than their first one. The amount of stuff to report was crazy. You just have a whole list, like freaking 20 items to report all over there, and you're like trying to figure out what am I supposed to report, because you know they're worded differently. What the hell, man? Nothing here. I really don't think anything changed, but probably there might be something. You know, okay, that's I have to scan it. Okay, show me the money, bro. What changed? Okay. All right. Hold on. That fire extinguisher looks sus. Looks very sus. Oh, it's not. Damn. I really had a good feeling that was a sus one, because the label is removed. But I guess it wasn't even there in the first place. This toilet actually looks freaking nice though. It's like pretty clean and everything. but from the CCTV it looks nice. The moment you go in there, it just smells horrible. Ooh, anything? Nothing changed. This is. I'll check if this is this changed. I don't think it did, but let's check it. Okay, nothing changed. Damn it. Okay. Oh, hey yo, you good, fam? You good, Coke? Coke's freaking out over there, buddy. What the hell? Coke's like, get me out of here. Ah! Oh my god. Come on. It's only 1:30. Jesus. Playing FNAF is faster than this. Oh, okay, that's nothing. This monitor is sus. Let's try it. If nothing happens, it won't even do anything, so. Yay, nothing changed. Looks fine. It's never fine. It's never fine. Why? Can something outside the train change? Because that will be horrible. That would be really horrible. Gosh. These things changed? I don't think so. What? I'm pretty sure something so subtle has changed. Oh, yeah, what's that? Smoke, passenger? Yeah, passenger. I'm guessing it is. No? Then what is that? Light? What is that? What should I report that as? Light? Oh, okay, just scan it. Okay. That's the anomaly there. Why does it look like nothing has changed? The toothpaste is still there, the toothbrush is still there. Did the floor change? I don't think so. It is so tempting to just report it, but it's most of the time will do nothing. Okay. Wait, huh? It looks so normal. Why? Why? It's scary right now. What is this? No. Oh, what? Hey, yo, wait. Yo, buddy, you're in the wrong train. Get up, man. This ain't the area for you. Get your ass out of here. Oh, there. Sir, wake up, wake up. You realize the guy's not even there. You're just hallucinating. Ah. Freaking hell. Sir, I need you to wake up. This train is not currently. Oh, no, that's not good. Hey, it hits 2 o'clock, those bells come, it's a bit scary, man. You don't expect the bells, but they just end up scaring you a bit. Burr. Is that bun or burr or like, what is that? Or yeah. The hell? What is that? Nothing changed. Hey, yo, Hanger, you good, bro? Hanger. What? That was the first time I heard the scanning sound. I think I usually talk over it, that's why I never hear it. Okay. Looks good. What was that? Thought something moved. No. Nothing here. Freaking bear. Hey guys, is that Freddy Fazbear? Or. Hey yo, eyes? Is that a bunch of eyes? Googly eyes there. Just like some balls or wheels or something like that. Wheels. Come on. Show me the money. Where are the other anomalies? Hold on. Maybe the text changed somewhere. Didn't really see it. Entrance for employees only. Yeah, emergency exit. Hey yo. That's some radioactive trash right there. It's glowing. Radioactive trash. Let's go. Bro really threw freaking uranium in there. Oh, that's funny. What is there? Come on. Nothing changed. If only you could read that properly. Nothing here. It's too normal. It's a bit scary right there. The freaking wait, was that plugged there? Never mind, I'll just report it. I haven't reported stuff in quite a while, except for that glowing trash. Nothing. Hey, this cop always here? Let me report that. Nothing here. Wait. Bro, why does it always feel like there's something red going on here? Unless that's just my screen, then that's a bit concerning. Oh, lights. Should I just... Lights, passenger? I feel like this room got a bit brighter unless I'm tripping. I think I'm tripping. Yeah, let's say I'm tripping. So, I'm tripping. Okay. It looks too normal. Why? Later it's gonna be like, you know that chair, that seat right here, this seat right here, that there was one crease that formed and you didn't report it. Oh, you freaking noob! You're so bad at this game. Oh my god. Just goes and cries in the corner because a single crease made me lose the game. I wonder what can they change on that toilet though. Would it just have some stains on it, or like freaking googly eyes, balls, wheels, some stuff inside there? Hmm. This, I don't remember this thing being open, but it says it's not an anomaly, so we have to just ignore it. Okay, that felt like a bit distorted there, not gonna lie. This way to exit. Emergency exit. Wow. It's too calm. It's way too normal. No. Come on. Come on. Nothing. These pillows, man. I bet these beds are quite comfortable. Like, hey yo, Abyss, WC, hello, help me, please. I am under the water. Come on. Where are my yo? What was that? Where are my anomalies? Help me. Where are they? I don't know, I'll just report this. Table. Did this monitor area change? I feel like there's an extra control panel there. Huh. This place. The most I've seen is this guy move light. Damn. I think I'm gonna report it here. Just check it out. Why not? Pillow bear. Evacuation plan. I don't think that changed. Oh, this changed. Yep, that changed. It's a different freaking thing now. There it is. I knew it. It was completely different. Hey yo, whose shoes are these? Whose shoes are these? You're not supposed to be on board, sir. Please kindly leave. I bet it was the guy who was sleeping there. The guy just got kicked out without his shoes. And his shoes appeared out of nowhere. Sick. Can this bear just disappear for a second? So it'll be the most obvious thing that disappeared from that room. Bear. Maybe Mr. Bean is in this train, no? He left Teddy here. Teddy, say hello, Teddy. Hi, Teddy. Where? Wait. Oh, it's actually just the same. It's just the same menu. There's just a bed in there now. Nothing. Is it being distorted? No, it's just my eyes. It's just me eyes. My eyes are playing a trick on me. Don't be the most subtle thing I've ever seen in my life. Come on, please. Please. Donuts, they look all the same. Maybe this thing changed. Hey yo. You good, fam? Don't break in, man. Come on. I know you wanna come in, but god damn, relax, calm down. You get your chance to enter the train. Alright, let me check out the area first. Make sure nothing disappears. Then you can come in. Yeah, relax. I bet you don't even have a ticket. You're trying to get in for free. You freaking alien. Gosh, damn. Looks fine. In fact, it was not fine. Freak. October 2nd, ban soon. Oh. Come on. Anything? Anything? This is freaking annoying now. Nothing changes. Ah. Come on. Oh, shite. Report it, come on. Oh my god. I thought I was gonna be dead there for a second. Because he just zooms in your camera all the way. You can't switch out. Which makes it horrible. Yeah, I really hate that. I really hate that part. When you can't switch the cameras. Well, you could if you reported it without being on that camera. But since I'm stuck on that camera while reporting it, that's horrible. Nothing changed here. As far as I can see, nothing changed here. Maybe something changed. I won't actually know. Hey, yo, where'd my door go? Door? The dude stole my freaking door. So I'm gonna have to charge you for that. That's like $5,000 for a door. Please return it. $5,000 for a door. God. It brings the door home. Honey, we got a new door. Where did you get this door from? Oh, whoa, what the frick? Yo, dude, you good? You don't seem to have legs. Bro. the dude just picked up the child, just put it in there. Alright, have fun. It's just a dude without legs. He has fully formed arms, head. Whoa. Distortion. Dining car. Let me get out of here. Let's go. That whole camera angle changed as well. I love it when it happens, but I can't change camera, so that sucks as well. It's the most obvious thing, but you can't change camera. Sorry, it makes it bad. For employees only. These cups look exactly the same. These look the same. The tables changed? I don't know. I feel like something did change there. Ah! No! You can't do this to me. Nothing changed. No! Gosh darn it. Come on. Where are these anomalies? Hey, yo, that's an anomaly. That's not supposed to be how it is. It's actually organized. Now that's an anomaly. I think everyone just had their stuff here, just left because they're like, hey, my stuff's going missing, bro. Can you help me? Okay. Bro disappears. Just vanishes. I thought one of the cameras disappears. Wait, hold on. Passenger, private, sleeping, dining, dining. I feel like something disappeared. Hey, yo, lights, WC. I feel like a camera disappeared though. There's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, never mind. Nothing disappeared. I thought something disappeared, but it's fine. Hey, yo, whose footsteps are these? Footprints, sorry, footprints. Whose footprints are these? I said no boarding allowed. Right? Who's in the freaking train? Do these people not freaking understand no boarding of the train while I'm on it, right? Nah, I guess these guys are too eager to freaking get on my train. They require a beatdown, bro. Get your ass over here. Hey, Hey, how you doing, Teddy? I see you. I see you came to life. I think it's time for you to go back to sleep because Mr. Bean's not on board. Maybe he was. You know, maybe that was his footprints over there. Who knows? Come on. It's only 4:44. Damn it! Why is it so freaking slow? At least it tells me how many minutes are passing instead of like Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my God, dude, you good, bro? You good? You good? At least my camera ain't zooming in, so I can switch. Bro's like, hey, bro, you want some good stuff? It's like, nah, no thanks, bro. I'm good. You can keep your good stuff to yourself. You seem like you're enjoying it. This what is this? A magazine, a book? What is this? Hey, the lights in this room, privacy. Nice. Okay. This place, man, this place gives me the chills. Hey, yo, you good, man? Imminent collision in a stationary cart? Sounds good. Completely fine. Completely normal. What? I don't see any problem. It's completely normal. What are you talking about? It's completely normal. A stationary vehicle is gonna crash. What was that sound? Huh? Is this the game or what? What is going on? Why is there suddenly music from the game coming right now? This is not right. This is not right. I am actually quite scared right now. this like eerie music started playing. It's subtle, but it actually scares right there. A bit unnerving slightly, you know? No, come on. What changed? There's gotta be something that changed. This is way too calm right now. This is way too calm right now. This is not right. Am I being paranoid? Probably. Ah, come on. Come on. Where is it? Oh, what is that? Ghost. Passenger. Ghost and passenger. Hi. Bye. Okay. Looks good. Why they gotta play this music, man? Why at 5 a.m. you gotta play this dumbass music? Come on. I don't see anything much right now. This is... Ah. Come on. Flush toilet looks exactly the same. Hey, yo, screens. Can I just report this? Yeah, I can. Guess that's it, yeah? Hopefully it works. Yeah, it worked. Okay. That's great. Let's go! Okay. Freak. Emergency exit. This table. Oh, wait, my door disappeared. A door disappeared. Imagine I did not see that until later on when there's like multiple. I would be so boned there. No lie. I would have been so boned. Hey, sir, this is not the place. Oh my God, get out of here. Okay. Oh, that was lucky. Good thing it actually reports it fast. I would have died, bro. Come on. The speed has gotten faster. I love that. It has gone faster reporting. Fire extinguisher. This, yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary as of now. I swear, if it says there are like 5 different anomalies and I have not spotted them, oh, I am just gonna close this game. That is not right. Okay, it's fine. Burger. Hey, yo, my sandwich has gotten moldy. Amazing sandwich ahead. Okay, sick. These last ticking moments. Better not have something huge come up like, hey, did you not spot that guy who's outside your window banging? How many? Yes, 33. Let's go. We're gaming. All right. Let's play the second one. Wait, maybe not. I'll just end this for this episode, and we'll play the next one on the next round. All right. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good one. Bye bye.